friends, I'm just going to show you some different ways that you can do tag toppers today. I think there's probably more than 10 ways even, but really there's almost an infinite number of ways that you can decorate the top of a tag. So I'm just going to give you some ideas. This one I showed you in a previous video. So this is my paint strip tag, and I just glued one of the flowers that we made on both sides, so that will stick out of the journal. So there's one. This one I just glued a cardstock piece, folded it in half, inked it, and then put another sentiment on top of there. So that's just a really simple one. This one I did a tulle strip. I did 4 strips actually. I made a slit in there, and then I tied it across with a piece of ribbon. So there's that one. I mean, any number of ways that you could do something like that. This is the one that folds over our page, and I just glued one of the flowers that we made up there. Here's one of the collage tags. This one I put an eyelet and just put a piece of lace, tied a piece of lace through it. Here's my other collage tag, and this one I did stapled a piece of ribbon, and then I put a couple of flowers and a flower center in there. So there's that one. This one I put one of our button collages at the top. This one is just the simple, I did a slit. You can do a slit or you can do a round hole. I like the slit for the ribbon, and I just did put a piece of ribbon through. So that's simple. This one I used 2 pieces of fabric. I just folded them over and stapled them and put one of my flower centers on the top of that one as well. This one was our booklet, so I just stapled on a piece of ribbon and a piece of lace there. Stapled that to both sides. This one was our little swing tag, so I already had put this whale tail punch on there with the little brad. So there's that one. And here's my 3 little tags with the Bible verses that was on the freebie last time, I believe. And these ones I just punched a circle with some handmade fabric and folded it over the edge and stapled it. So super simple, but it's effective. And then the last one, I'm just going to show you quickly how I made it. So here's just our basic tag from one of the freebies. And I just took a strip of cardstock, whatever size, it doesn't have to be exact. I rounded the 4 corners with my corner rounder, folded it in half, inked the edges, and I'm just going to put that on top of my tag like that. And I'm going to punch a hole with my crocodile, hopefully in the center, like that. And then I'm just going to glue that on. So I probably should have glued it on first and then punched the hole in. I wouldn't have to line it up, but that's okay. It's not that hard. And there. And then you can put a piece of ribbon or lace or whatever in that one as well. So you can just use plain reinforcement as well. So lots and lots of different ways that you can top your tags. If you have any other ways that you love to do, I'd love to hear some more suggestions. Put them in the comments and we can all learn together. Thanks, friends. See you in the next video.